drop it, drop it! Oh god, I didn't know that would happen. Are there two? Please don't dare. Now what happens when I pick it up? Do I just get Wither Ward again? No. Okay, not breaking those again. Nether Wart exactly why. Oh, fire! I'm on fire! I'm on fire! No! Why are so many? Why do so many things hurt you? God, what is it with this world? I can wait until I build my obsidian pick for that. I think. Yeah. These are important for sync. For the sync mod. I know how that works. It's an awesome mod. Perfect for this mod pack. It's actually quite easy though. That's the thing. I also will be doing mod reviews. What is this stuff? Overgrown netherrack? Ooh, close one. Oh, my back! You only get like half. Oh, I withered away. I broke a wither thing. Ah, that sucks. But I did get everything I need. I just kind of left it in the wet nether. So, yeah. Oh, here we go. Not going back. Not until I get my staff. I need to get my diamond pick, my long sword, and another ward. Well, everything will be fine. Oh, there's my pick. Hey, my long sword is in the inventory. Okay, I still got everything, and I think that may do it for now, because I don't want to spend forever in here. Really laggy. Oh god, I'm on fire! Yeah, I'm on fire. Gonna take one more nether ward, just in case. And go back, baby. Okay, so anyways, here is my plan. What I'm gonna do. I'm going to find a good place that's not a darn snow biome. Move over there, build a little like in like a jungle or something, and build a little park of dinosaurs and that. And then nearby will be this giant space place, like mission control over there or something. So I will go there, do some things there, go to the moon, and then at the moon, I think what I'm gonna do is build a space station. I'll also create like a space station in space and that. I'll just create a station on every planet. So I think, oh, I do have a saddle. Great, that's great, that's great. Let's check this. I got Brachiosaurus, Fern, Dilophosaur, and 15 bone meal. And I just got Velociraptor. And another Bronchiosaurus. Stegosaurus. Now, I forget how to make the eggs already. Panopedia. Alright. Oh, just more bone meal. I want T-Rex. That's what I want. Oh, isn't that the one thing from the... God, that thing. This is my last hope for T-Rex DNA until I find some more. Man. Oh, Stegosaurus. Well, at least I got some ferns for plant eaters. And I got the Velociraptor in this. Now, I forget how to make the eggs. Yeah. Is in the cultivator you put it in? You make a cultivator. Well, it's 4 glass, 3 iron, water bucket, and cactus green. Oh, I could just use a fern from Tropicraft, or use a pulverizer. Lapis and dandelion. That can't be too hard. Can it? I really hope not. To be fair, okay, I think I do have some flowers. Yellow flowers, so we'll check it out. I think I do. No, I don't. It's gonna be hard. Candle. Flowers. Pulverizing. And that's it. Gotta be another way to do this. Yeah, it's cultivator I need. Oh, that's not so hard. I think I'll make one of those. As soon as I find out if I have some sugar cane. Yeah, another thing I need is... Why is it that I'm always missing something that's so simple yet, but yet so hard to find? My god. It's gonna take forever. I think I may end off the video here and skip ahead to when things look better. So yeah, I guess that may be it for now. I'm gonna possibly look for a good place to set up my permanent shop, because I don't want to be living in a snow biome forever. It's cold. I also found the gem, as you can see. should I do with this gem? Because I could make a gem axe, a gem hoe, a gem pick, gem shovel, gem sword, gem. What's that? Gem. Is that it? Oh, that's it. That's all I can really do with it. Or an ancient gem. Anyways, I'm gonna try and rebuild the helmet, but first I need to build that. Yeah, there you get the picture. Oh, guess I'll see you all then. See you all next time.